it's Natty here, coming at you from the tiny house. I am the owner of Nadbrad Designs, and I wanted to show you our multi-wear signature Tulu. So this amazing piece can be worn over 10 different ways, but I wanted to show you all the different ways just really quickly today. So this is how it comes. It looks like this beautiful skirt. It has the handkerchief bottom, and you can wear it as a skirt, nice and easy. You can play around with the way that it sits. You can do high waist, low waist, fold it over, make it a little shorter. You can also wear it as a dress. So here we go, as a dress. So we've just pulled it up. So this top tassel actually will tighten this part around here, and when you're wearing it as a skirt, it'll tighten around the waist. And then this, we've got a drawstring down here too, and that tightens up this, so you can get a really nice fitted feel. You can also use these as a little belt. From here, if you wanted, you can even add one of our other multi-wear pieces and wear that as a pretty belt as well. So from here, you can wear it as a poncho, nice and simply, just pull it around. You've got it like that. I personally like to go off the shoulder just for a little something something. And then you can also pull one arm through and wear it as a poncho that way. And then from here, you could turn this into a top or a dress. By taking this around here, you want to put your tassels on the side and a drawstring. Tuck that in and pull this around, and just tuck these guys here, and you've got a little dress. So another amazing way to wear this, we're gonna take the Tulu and we're gonna look inside and find that label, and you're just going to take it and scrunch up that fabric, hold it out, put the inside towards you, and put it on like a jacket. And this is the vest. You want the tassels in the center of your back. We can tuck those, keep these ones out, and you can take them around, and you can actually close this up into a top like that. Or one of my favorite ways is take your two front pieces, give them a quick tie, double tie, make sure it's tight, do a flip and over. And from here, you've got a nice smock. I like that way. Or you can take your ties again and tie it up into a beautiful cowl neck top. And from here, you can even make this into a hoodie. So you want to take all of that extra fabric in the back and pull this around and then into a hoodie. And also let this all down and just pull that off the shoulders. And you've got a really nice throw that will keep you nice and warm around the campfire. So I did want to say for sizing, myself, I actually wear a medium on the bottom as a skirt, and as a dress. Any of the poncho ways I can wear it as a medium, but I do like to size up when it comes to wearing it like this as the vest, because I have a sore shoulder, so I just like to go to the large. The large also, I can wear it all the other ways, because it does have that drawstring up at the top to keep it nice and tight. Also, we give a little pamphlet with every piece, so you don't have to remember all of these ways. You don't have to constantly be coming back to these videos unless you want to. It does come with a pamphlet of all the ways on how to do it, so you'll have a little cheat sheet at home in your closet for every day. If you guys have any questions, you can always send us an email, DM, anything like that. I'm always around. So stick around. I'm going to have some more videos on how to wear the Unity, which I'm wearing here in blue. And then we also have the Aura multi-wrap that is a super fun accessory that goes really well with all these pieces. Thanks so much, guys.